अन्योंग यरबुन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सब अच्छे हो। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं टॉप 10 रोमांटिक के ड्रामास। तो 10 में है W2 वर्ल्ड। इस ड्रामा के मेन लीड है ली जुन सुक एंड Han Yo Jo। ये एक फैंटेसी रोमांस सीरीज है अबाउट अ फीमेल डॉक्टर इन अ रियल वर्ल्ड एंड अ मेल लीड ऑफ अ वेबटून कैरेक्टर रिटन बाय हर फादर। आफ्टर शी एंटर द वर्ल्ड ऑफ द कॉमिक, कैरेक्टर फेट चेंज। 9 में है मून लवर्स। इस ड्रामा के मेन कास्ट है ली जून की आयु कंघानल। इस ड्रामा में आयु एक मॉडर्न डे मेकअप आर्टिस्ट होती है जो ट्रेवल बैक करती है टू द गोरियायो एरा ड्यू टू एन एक्सीडेंट। While finding a way to return her own era, she develops special romantic feelings for the 8th and the 4th prince. She also goes through a lot of pain and sorrows in her life. Moon Lover is one of the most romantic yet heartbreaking Korean drama. 8th में है While You Were Sleeping। इस ड्रामा के मेन कास्ट है ली जुन सुक एंड सूजी। This drama centers on 3 young adults who are not related but उनके पास एबिलिटी है फ्यूचर देखने की through their strange dream. After they meet, they team up to change and prevent unfortunate events from happening. During this process, love and a special friendship between the three also develop, and you will enjoy their chemistry. 7 में है It's Okay to Not Be Okay। इस ड्रामा के मेन कास्ट है किम सियो hyung and Seo Ya-jin। Besides romance, this drama also a touching and healing story about people with past trauma and mental health struggles. The love story between a children's book author and a community health worker. 6 में है weightlifting fairy Kim Bok-jo। इस ड्रामा के मेन कास्ट है ली sang-kyung and Nam Joo-kyung। It is an adorable and sweet love story set in a school between the rising weightlifter and a handsome heartthrob swimmer. Namjoon only likes to tease and mess around with his childhood friend Lee Song, making her try to run away many times. Their on-screen chemistry is so cute and I love this drama. And 5 में है Goblin। इस ड्रामा के मेन कास्ट है Kung-yu and Kim Go-yeon. This drama is a myth-like romance between a lonely 1000-year-old goblin and a girl who's destined to be a goblin bride. The two fall in love after going through various hardships, but fate has arranged for them to part ways, as it is the duty of the goblin bride to help goblin end his lengthy life. This drama is fun, romantic, thrilling and unique. Goblin has become a legendary hit across Asia after its release. 4 में है Strong Woman Do Bong-sun। इस ड्रामा के मेन कास्ट है Park Hyung-sik and Park Bo-young. It is a great pick if you want cute and funny drama. The story is about a girl with superpowers and an attractive but weak director. After they join the same team, the two fall in love with each other and stand for each other in every situation. 3 में है Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha। इस ड्रामा के मेन कास्ट है Shin Min-ah and Kim Son-ho. This drama is too familiar to fans of K-drama in 2021. The drama is funny, philosophical with a healing storyline that has kept audience glued to their screen for 16 episodes. 2 में है What's Wrong with Secretary Kim। इस ड्रामा के मेन कास्ट है Park Seo-joon and Park Min-young. This drama is about the relationship from colleagues to lover with a handsome vice president and his beautiful secretary. Their excellent chemistry is making the viewers fall in love with this work. 4th में है Crash Landing on You। इस ड्रामा के मेन कास्ट है Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin. In this drama, Son Ye-jin is a very successful South Korean businesswoman, and Hyun Bin is a North Korean soldier. Due to an accident, Son Ye-jin North Korea पहुंच जाती है. Their chemistry is too good and they are officially dating now. अगर मैंने कुछ गलत प्रोनाउंस किया हो तो माफ़ कर देना। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। ओके बाय।